The Canon EOS R7 Mark II has become one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras in recent memory, with photographers and content creators around the world waiting eagerly for Canon's next APS-C masterpiece. The buzz around this camera is at an all-time high. The R7 Mark II isn't just a potential successor. It's shaping up to be a game-changer, designed to push the boundaries of what a compact, high-performance camera can do. From speed to image quality, autofocus to video capabilities, everything about this upcoming model seems to suggest that Canon is preparing to make a statement in 2026, one that could reshape the future of hybrid photography. The story of the Canon R7 Mark II begins with its predecessor, the original Canon R7, which was launched in mid-2022. That camera proved that Canon could take the APS-C format seriously in the mirrorless world. It featured a 32.5 megapixel sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF2, advanced subject tracking, and fast burst rates that appealed to wildlife and sports photographers. But as impressive as it was, the R7 also left room for improvement, and Canon fans made their voices heard. They wanted a faster sensor, higher resolution video, improved rolling shutter performance, and even better autofocus powered by AI. So when early rumors of the R7 Mark II started surfacing, excitement immediately began to build. What Canon might be planning for this next-generation APS-C body could elevate it to a whole new class of performance. The delay of the R7 Mark II has sparked countless discussions in the photography community. Originally expected in 2025, it now appears that Canon is strategically holding the camera for a 2026 release. While some see this as a setback, others view it as a sign of refinement, a deliberate move to ensure that the R7 Mark II doesn't just follow the market trend, but sets a new benchmark for APS-C cameras. Canon seems to be aligning this launch with the next wave of its full-frame releases, such as the R6 Mark III and potentially the R5 Mark II. This makes sense from a business standpoint because Canon wants each model to shine in its category without overshadowing the others. The R7 Mark II will be positioned as the most advanced APS-C camera in Canon's lineup, and that means it needs to deliver features that justify its premium positioning. So what can we realistically expect from the Canon EOS R7 Mark II? The biggest rumor centers on a new stacked APS-C sensor, possibly in the range of 32 to 35 megapixels. A stacked sensor architecture would dramatically reduce rolling shutter effects, improve readout speeds, and allow for lightning-fast continuous shooting, potentially up to 40 frames per second. That's the kind of performance typically reserved for flagship full-frame models, yet Canon might bring it to an APS-C body. This could make the R7 Mark II an incredible tool for wildlife and sports shooters who need both reach and speed. Combined with Canon's latest Digic X or even next-generation image processor, the camera could deliver stunning image quality, excellent noise control, and improved dynamic range. Autofocus performance is another area where Canon is expected to make major improvements.